In today's fast-paced work environment, efficient information retrieval and effective team collaboration are crucial. Retrieval-Augmented Generation systems, also called RAG systems, combine search capabilities and chatbots with natural language understanding to provide accurate and contextually relevant responses. RAG systems facilitate knowledge sharing, automate routine tasks, and enhance decision-making. By retrieving and generating responses from curated frequently asked questions and technical manuals, teams can quickly find answers, focus on strategic activities, and make informed decisions. At ATEXIS, RAG systems can significantly improve our own employee portal by providing accurate information, improving navigation, and personalizing responses, linking the answers to the original documents. This ensures employees receive up-to-date relevant answers to their queries, enhancing their overall experience. Integrating RAG systems into teams' workflows transforms information management and collaboration. Are you already using RAG systems?